My name is Travis Thurman. I'm the owner-operator of Aqua Cleaning. We do janitorial, carpet cleaning, window cleaning, pretty much an all-around cleaning business. We've been in business for about 5 years now. So I chose the OctoClean Media platform because I was going through YouTube and kind of watching like all the videos, which there's millions of them. OctoClean really broke it down. It was just a lot more helpful, and I knew if I gave it to one of my employees and had them watch it that I wouldn't have to go behind and explain everything. They were really thorough and detailed, and like you could tell that they had a passion to help instead of just making video for content. Unfortunately, like the janitorial and the cleaning business isn't something that people want to go out and share their secrets, because there's a lot of stigma that if they help you, then you're gonna steal their business and whatnot. I had a question, before I'd have to go to YouTube or something and try to find it, and they would give you vague answers, where now with OctoClean, you could just kind of go onto the platform and ask anyone. It doesn't just have to be the OctoClean team. You could ask other members in the community, and everyone's super friendly and willing to help, and it's way helpful.